At East versus West 19, in the absence of Vitaly Laletin, Devon Larratt dominated and destroyed Alex Kurdecha not just on the right arm but on the left arm too. But Devon has announced that he will be taking a long break from East versus West, a long break from arm wrestling. So what's the reason behind that? Is it because Devon wants to heal his body? Is it because he wants to go easy on himself, take some rest? Or is it because of something else? My conspiracy theory is, and I'm being honest about it, that I don't have any inside information at all. Nobody has talked with me about this subject and I haven't talked with anyone. But I do think that there may have been a clause for the European arm wrestlers to come back, that Devon quits East versus West at least for some time, at least for this year. That's why we are already seeing Sagov, Petrenko and some other arm wrestlers coming back to East versus West despite Engin's final departure. And that is the reason, as per my belief, why Devon reluctantly agreed to quit East versus West for this year or for however long they decided. So is Devon making a sacrifice here? Is he sacrificing his arm wrestling, his paycheck, his livelihood so that he can unite arm wrestling, so that the Europeans can feel more safe and come back to arm wrestling? I think the 105 kg title is already taken away from him because Robert announced that Petrenko will be defending that title soon. So how did Petrenko get that title? Anyways, I think Devon will be out for a while. And it's not because he himself wanted that. It's because Robert Baxter told him that based on the request from the European arm wrestlers. But he did say that whenever he returns, his first match will be Vitaly Laletin. So it's not like he's out forever. He will come back, maybe stronger than ever. So what's next for Devon? Obviously a right arm super match against Vitaly. If he wins that, then a left arm super match against Vitaly, because Morozov is injured both right and left. Otherwise those matches would have made some sense too. But since Morozov cannot compete, Devon, I think, has earned the right to go straight for Vitaly. Kamil Jablonski will keep on demanding the left arm match if he decides he can compete at East versus West, and I think he should get that match because he was the winner of that last left-handed super match, and I think he still can be the favorite against Devon because Kurdecha's press and Kamil's press are not the same. They are at completely different level. But anyways, Devon will in the future have the shot to become the best left-hander in the world. He said this about his right arm, that his right arm is damn near the best arm on the planet. I think right now he can say the same thing about his left arm as well. He beat Alex Kurdecha way easier than Artyom Morozov did. Thanks for watching, like the video, and I'll see you again.